What's up, athletes? I welcome you to this knee strengthening workouts by CureFit. This is Rahul Basak here, and I am going to guide you through these simple and effective movements. I'm excited to bring to you these 5 hand-picked workout movements which will help you to strengthen your knees. I will be performing all of these movements for 40 seconds each and with a 20 seconds of rest in between. The best part is that you do not need any kind of equipment and you can perform all these workout movements anywhere, even while you are traveling or from the comfort of your home. Fitness is something that all of us should make a part of our lives. Or for all of you watching this video, join me through this home workout movement and I'll make sure you will feel amazing at the end of this. Without any further delay, let's begin our workout. The first movement which we are going to do is going to be your box squat. For this, you require a box or a chair, whatever you are comfortable with. Now with this, what you're going to do is we're going to keep our feet closer to the box, keep our chest upright, push our hip back, sit on the box, lightly touch on the box and come up. This is going to work on majorly on your quads, your hamstrings and your glutes, but majorly on your thighs, your front part of your legs, right? We'll be doing 10 reps of this movement. Let's start in 3, 2, 1 and let's go. Go down, gently tap and come up. 2, keep going. 3, you can keep breathing. As you come up, you can breathe out. 4, 5, 6. You can keep your feet hip width apart or shoulder width apart, whatever you are comfortable with, right? Keep your back straight, chest up. 3 more reps in 3, 2 more reps, 2, 1 last rep and up. Done. We are done with our first movement. Now while you take a short break of 20 to 30 seconds, let me show you the next movement, which is going to be your single leg box touchdown. Now for this, again, you require a chair or a box, whatever is sturdy, that will work for you, right? Now for this, you come up on the box. Now my left leg is on the box. With my right feet, I am going to push my hip back, gently tap the ground and come up. I am going to push with my left leg here. I'm not going to use much my right leg, but I'm going to use more of my left leg and come up, right? We'll be doing 5 reps on each side. That 5 reps on left leg and 5 reps on my right leg, right? It's going to again work on your quads, but it's also going to work on your glutes and your hamstrings. Let's start in 3, 2, 1 and let's go. Push your hip back down and up. Press with your full feet. 2. Keep your back straight, chest up. 3. As you come up, breathe out. 4. As you go down, breathe in. 5. 5 reps done. Now moving to the other leg. Now I'll be working on with my right leg. Again, go down, push your hip back and come up. 1. As you come up, you can gently rest for a couple of seconds. 3. As you can see, I'm resting at the top. 4. 5. Done. One important thing whenever we are doing a strengthening workout or strength workout, you do not want to go very fast. You want to take your own time, feel each muscle group, go through the range of motion, full range of motion and perform the movement, right? Now moving into the third workout, which is going to be your calf raises. Now for this, we are going to just be on our feet. You can keep your feet comfortably apart. Now you can keep your palms around your hips. Now from here, extend. Now come all the way up on your toes and again down. As you come up on your toes, now try to squeeze your calf muscles, the back part of your lower leg or your back part of your shin. Up and down. We'll be doing 15 reps of this movement, right? Let's start in 3, 2, 1 and let's go. Come up, yeah, squeeze and again down. Hold there for a couple of seconds and down. Up and down. Down. One important part of your leg strengthening workouts are like you do not exactly work on your knees, but you work on the muscles which are above your knees or below your knees. That's how you strengthen your knees. You're not going to directly work on your knees, in fact. Keep moving. Breathe out as you extend your ankles or you come on your toes. We've got few more seconds. In fact, 3 more reps we have, not seconds. 2 more reps. 1 last rep and done. Now we are done with 3 movements, and while you take a short break, catch your breath, have some water, let me explain you the 4th movement. As I've already mentioned, for strengthening your knees, you not only work the muscle around your knees but slightly above also, and this time we're going to work on your glutes, your butts, right? This is going to be glutes are in fact said to be a powerhouse of your body. This is where you generate maximum amount of power. These are in fact the largest muscles in your body. You lie down on your back, you keep your palm comfortably apart, your feet flat on the ground. Now from here, extend your hips, squeeze your glutes, hold there for a couple of seconds and down, up and down. These are glute bridges. We'll be doing 10 reps of this movement, right? For every rep, we'll be holding a couple of seconds at the top, right? Let's start in 3, 2, 1 and let's go. As you squeeze, breathe out. Now, if you're performing these movements with me, remember, if you have any kind of knee pain already, before you perform this movement, please do consult your doctor and find out the exact reason for your knee pain. For everyone else, you can perform this movement at your own will, at your own time, right? So I've got 1 more rep to go and we are done. We're done with 4 movements now. Now before you move on to the last movement, I invite you onto the CureFit app and try out our CureFit Live. Here you can work out with more trainers like me who will guide you in your fitness journey. If you download the app through the link in the description or the first comment below, you will get a free access of 14 days. The last movement is going to be your good mornings. Yes, good mornings. Now this is going to work on your hamstrings, the back part of your thighs, right? Now for this movement, what you're going to do, you're going to again stand comfortably apart, take your palms behind your ears. Now from here, you're going to hinge from your hips, push your hip back, bring your chest closer to the ground, so keep your knees soft, chest closer to the ground and come up. You're going to feel a nice stretch on your hamstrings, right? You push your hip back and up. We're going to do this movement again for 10 reps, right? Let's start in 3, 2, 1 and go. Slow and steady, control the movement and come up. Keep your knees soft, push your hip back. This movement you have to initiate from your hips, not from your knees. As you come up, you can breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. 5 more reps to go. Keep your gaze straight. Just keep looking forward. Do not arch your neck. You make a one straight line from your head to your lower back. 2 more reps. 1 last rep. And we are done. We are done with this home workout. Add this to your own personal playlist and come back and do this kind of workouts as your regular workout regimen or during your rest days as a light workout. You can repeat the rounds of the workout and perform 3 to 5 rounds to increase the intensity. This will help you to strengthen the muscles in your lower body and eventually your knees. Let us know in the comments below how you found this workout. Stay tuned to our CureFit YouTube channel, like the video, share it across with your friends and family, save the video either in watch later or create a new personal playlist. Subscribe to CureFit channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Cheers guys!